Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change your voice on your voice recorder on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to change your voice on your voice recording, then let me show you how you can do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Samsung store. This is the app you need. Go ahead and search for an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this and install it. Once that's done, open the app. Now in the app, you're going ahead and searching for sound assistance. Tap on this. Now here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see voice changer. So here you can apply fun effects to the microphone. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Tap on this. And here you can go ahead and record your voice. So by default, it'll be your voice. However, you can change it to a little girl, a middle-aged man, a science fic horror, ethereal, warbling, lo-fi landline, baby, robot, or you can add custom voice effect. After you switched it on and you've set a voice, go back to your voice recorder. Here, go ahead and tap on record. And now you can go ahead and start recording and your voice will change to whatever you have set on that voice changer. So there you go guys, that is how to change your voice on the voice recorder on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.